So I had a bit of a win this week, well, late last week. Finally got my knee surgery, my ACL surgery locked in. Haven't quite got a date yet, but I'm at least in the position, in the line to go ahead, and I've been lucky enough to score a private doctor in the public system, which is awesome. Good start to the day. Caught up with an old colleague first thing in the morning. She's over in the UK, had a good chat for about an hour, talking all things work-wise, lots of projects going on around here. Even managed to catch up with my sister for a little bit this morning. Had quite a few ongoing IT issues throughout the day. A bit of a restart on the old laptop to see if we can fix everything. Got some applications that we're putting in for some other business credentials. Wrapped up early. Had to go pick the boys up. Touch footy this afternoon. So a bit of coaching for my young blokes team, which was always fun. Home after that, dropped the boys back off to their mother's house, skipped the 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock, pretty cooked by this time.